What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the green figures. Okay, green figures just went live today, the 1st of June. Okay, as I mentioned in the previous video, okay, the project has been audited and stamped by Mr. John Stamp, and they also have a KYC certified by Anoni Docs. Okay, so this is not your traditional ROI DApp with external revenue. Okay, so green figures is solely based on profits. Okay, guys, so if you haven't watched my previous video where I step everything you should know about this video, I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out prior to come over here and launch launch the app and invest in this project. But essentially over here we have a graph where it shows how everything works. So you come over here, you enter the DApp, you invest BUSD, okay, then 100% of the TVL every Sunday will be invested into Forex trades, okay? So the traders, they will be trade from Monday to Friday, okay? Friday, when the Forex trades exchange closes, they will collect all the profits generated from Monday to Friday and sent on Saturdays. Okay, the profit generated with Forex trading will be 20% for the team and 80% for the investors. Scrolling further down, we have the FAQs. Okay, but like I said to you guys on my previous video, I explained everything you should know about the project. Okay, today's video is just going to be a step-by-step tutorial how to get started with the project. As you can see right here, I clicked on launch DApp or launch app, okay, and MetaMask pops up. MetaMask will ask me to confirm if I want to connect my wallet to the green figures dashboard. Yes, I do. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to invest. Okay, so once you connect your wallet will pop up right there, okay? And over here we have the contract details, okay? So contract has at the moment 45.5 thousand bucks BUSD, guys. So this is on Binance Smart Chain, and the token that we're gonna use is BUSD. Total investors 122 investors. Nice, okay? Good traction and total profit. Obviously this thing just started, okay, so at the moment is 0, so we have to wait until next Sunday, yes, Sunday or Saturday, to see if we made a profit or not. Okay, over here we have my stats. Okay, so the current BUSD in my wallet, okay, total investors, total profits, and available profits. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I've got 104, so I'm gonna deposit 100 BUSD. So first we gotta approve spend, okay, and then we're gonna put the same amount right here and invest. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this video here, pay these 2 gas fees, and continue. And that's it. I just paid the second gas fee. So first you approve and then you invest. So I'm just waiting for the confirmation. And then once I receive the confirmation, that means I'm in. Okay, MetaMask is just thinking. There you go. So my confirmation right there. So as you can see right here, total investors, total invested. Okay, and scrolling further down, we can see my investment history. Okay, so the date and time and total amount. Over here, we can see the profit earned history, profit paid out history, and over here I can withdraw my initial capital at any time. All I got to do is click over here, request withdraw, okay, and within 28 days the team will release my withdraw, okay, my capital, I mean. And over here, oh, cool feature, we can see the growth. Okay, so daily growth, monthly growth, etc. Okay, guys, so just to remember, guys, this project doesn't have a fixed daily APR. The way you're going to get paid is by the profits that the traders will make. Okay, so the profit the traders will make, and also according to your share. So the more you invest, the more you will receive. Okay, and if you want to check the live trades, you click on over here, live trades, and over here we can see the live trades. Obviously the Forex exchange is closed at the moment, okay, but we can see the trades that have been performed, okay, and we can also see the bots. Okay, so currently we are on the green as far as I can see. This is taking some time to load up, okay, But yes, over here is where you can see the trades. Okay. Also, if you have any questions about the project after reading the docs, after taking the audit, if you still got any questions, just come over here to the TG. The team members will be able to assist you with any questions that you might have. They also have a referral link. So once you make your first deposit, you come over here, copy the referral link, share it with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get 2% referral commission of the investor's profits. Okay, cool. And over here is where we can withdraw our profits or fully compound so we can grow our profits exponentially. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to give you an update in probably Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. It depends how busy I am. But yes, I'm going to give you an update about how the project is doing. But it's really, really good to see that, we already have 46K inside the smart contract and total invest is 124. If you're not familiar, George Stamp is behind the teams. Okay, so you can be 100% sure that this project is not going to go anywhere. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.